Good morning, everybody. Now, this morning, we are letting the robot do its thing, but sometimes it gets stuck. You have to unstick it. But for the most part, if you just let it go, it will vacuum your floors. This one only cost $50 on Amazon for the Pure Clean robot. And it does a pretty good job. I'm not the kind of person who's going to spend hundreds of dollars on something. So, I just got this little thing here for 50 bucks. So, and it seems to work. Like I said, it does get hung up on carpeting sometimes, or dividers, like in the middle of the room. Out here, I put the stools and the table right where the divider is, because it gets hung up on that. So if I put these stools and things here, it'll bump into them. So that way I can confine it to this area so that it can do its job. And that's what it's doing. So there it is, $50. And if I can't get it, if I'm satisfied with an area, I can always pick it up and it'll stop temporarily, but you can move it to another area if you want to, of the house. But it's doing a pretty good job. It goes around and it sucks up the dirt. And to stop it, all you do is just hit the button, turn it off, pick it up, take it, flip it over. You can see all the dirt. Just clean the dirt off it from where it's been working. And it has a little compartment. You can flip this up and then open that up. Pull this out. Throw this trash away. Pull this piece up here. See? Clean that out. Let's clean that dust off there. And there's more dust in the compartment there. Just throw that away. That's all there is to it.